Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Quadrilateral.
What does the dictionary say?
A shape having 4 sides.
Math rap.
This one is easy. I tell you no lies, a quadrilateral is a flat shape with 4 straight sides. A tetragon is also one of its names. Parallelograms, squares, and trapezoids share in the fame.
Math rap.
Why can't quadrilaterals ever take a joke? They take everything too quadriliterally. Explain quadrilateral in your own words. Quadrilaterals have 4 sides. What do we call things with 2, 3, 5, and 6 sides? List and draw 10 everyday common items that form the shape of a quadrilateral. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your Math Minutes rock!